One of the most popular cases we've ever designed here at Corsair is our Carbide Series Air 540. It had an active cooling chamber to cool your CPU and GPU, and a passive chamber on the rear for power supply cables, PSUs, and storage drives that didn't need as much cooling. But because we believe you could always do better, this is the spiritual successor to the Air 540, the 680X RGB. It shares the same dual-chambered layout as the Air 540 with an entirely new and refined look. There are 3 floating tempered glass panels on the front, the top, and the side, so you can show off your components and fans. But these glass panels will not obstruct your cooling because we've designed a huge gap between the panel and the case so you can get plenty of airflow. On the I/O panel, you'll find the standard connections plus a modern update with the USB 3.1 Type-C port. The 680X side panel swings open so you can easily build a new PC or just upgrade your existing one. In the front of the case, you can mount up to a 360mm radiator, on top and bottom up to 280mm, and even a 140 in the rear. And because you just spent a ton of cash on a brand new graphics card and you want to show it off to yourself and your friends, you have a 90-degree GPU mount in here so you can mount it vertically and look at it in all of its glory. But my favorite feature of the dual chamber design is that it is cheat mode for cable routing. You can use that second chamber to hide all of your cables while your first chamber stays fresh and clean looking. In the rear chamber, you can mount up to our AX1600i PSU, as well as 3 3.5-inch drives and 4 2.5-inch drives. Every 680X RGB comes with the Lighting Node Pro, which gives you full control over the RGB lighting of your system with our iCUE software. With iCUE, you can choose from dozens of built-in lighting profiles, or you can create your own. The Air 540 was a very successful case, but I think that the Crystal Series 680X RGB improves upon it in almost every way. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.
Hi all, Thermal Mike, and today we take a look at the Level 20 MT ARGB mid-tower chassis. With ARGB in the name, the Level 20 MT includes 3 120mm pure ARGB fans pre-installed in the front and connected to a custom controller. Installation of your PSU is done easily with the cables pre-connected when using a modular power supply, so we'll get this installed first. Now let's dive in and get the PC together. The Level 20 MT supports up to ATX form factor motherboards with mounting for mini ITX and micro ATX as well, and offers 7 expansion slots out the back. We add even more RGB with the Pure 12 ARGB sync fans, which are sold separately. so we can sync up all our fans to the case control or with select motherboards supporting 5-volt RGB LED headers. The Level 20 MT offers 3 placements for radiators up to 280 on the top, 360 in the front, and 280 vertically on the interior side. We'll be using the new Water 3.0 280 ARGB AIO, which is designed to connect all together with our ARGB family products with one simple cable connection. The MT supports up to 260mm long expansion cards like our GPU. Convenient cutout for the PSU cover allows clean routing for our GPU power cables. Now we'll connect our additional pure ARGB sync fans to the case controller and daisy chain the remaining fans we added, including the pump LED header from the AIO. Included with the MT accessories, the motherboard sync cable allows you to connect the controller to select 5-volt RGB LED ready motherboards. With a single slide, secure the tempered glass panel back on the case easily. Now it's time for the best part. Control your ARGB fans with a built-in RGB control button on the top I/O to select up to 8 different modes. You can also press down on the RGB button for 3 seconds to switch over to the motherboard to team up and sync.
This is the Corsair iQ220T RGB Airflow, our new mid-tower ATX case where strong cooling meets smart lighting. The 220T was designed with high airflow in mind, but with its solid steel construction and perforated steel front panel, it offers a stylish look with the added benefit of durability. Included with the case are a lighting node core and 3 SP120 RGB Pro fans. Each SP RGB Pro fan has 8 individually addressable LEDs in the hub, and combined with our iQ software, you can get brilliant lighting effects right out of the box. To make this case even more eye-catching, we added an edge-to-edge tempered glass side panel to showcase all your awesome components and beautiful RGB lighting. The I/O panel has 2 USB 3.1 Type A ports, a 3.5mm combination headphone microphone jack, and your power and reset buttons. 3 removable dust filters in the front, top, and bottom of the case will help keep your PC looking clean and tidy. Additionally, there's ample radiator mounts with up to a 120mm in the back, a 240 in the top, or up to a 360mm in the front. For storage, there are 2 low-profile 2.5-inch drive brackets, and there's a removable drive cage that houses up to 2 additional 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives. With the 220T's built-in PSU cover, you can keep your power supply and cables out of sight, which makes it easy to build a clean-looking system without excess clutter. The 220T is a stylish mid-tower ATX case with optimal airflow that's perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.